Starting with this case number 5, when the corner and edge piece don't match, and when the corner piece faces the right, first, move it over to the left down here, and take out this piece, then insert the pair. Number 4, this case, when the top colors don't match and the corner piece faces you, first, use F moves to separate the two, then move this edge piece over to the left, then do R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, to get it to the top layer. Then insert the piece insert the pair without rotating. When you have this case where the corner and edge piece top colors don't match, first move this edge piece down into the middle layer, then move the corner piece up to the top right, then move this edge piece up to the top, unhide the corner piece, then insert the pair. In this case, which is the slightly different version of the last case, is solved by this. Move the pair up to the top right, hide the corner piece down here, move the edge piece to the front, unhide, then insert the pair using F moves. And lastly, the most annoying f2l case of all, when this piece is flipped in the middle layer. First, move both the pieces to the top layer like this. Move this one to the right, in the left bottom, or left front. Hide the piece down here. Double flick, and have the edge piece right here. Unhide the corner piece. Then insert the pair without rotating using F moves. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all have a great day. Please subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.